Hey guys, Shill Sullivan here, and welcome back to my channel. You know what I love? I know what you love. Everybody loves it. That's bubble wrap. Nobody can resist it. It's so alluring. It's so satisfying. Everybody loves the bubble wrap. Let's do a slow motion twist of it. It's just so satisfying. But I know what you're thinking. Will it firecracker? Let's get in the shop and find out. Are you coming? Alright guys, remember, I make these videos to entertain and to educate. They're not for you to emulate. So don't ever try anything stupid like this at home. I mean, any idiot can put a firecracker into a thing, but I'm the type of idiot that makes a firecracker out of that thing. So first things first, I need something kind of soft and cushy and flexible, something that would protect the flash powder down on the inside from getting banged or jostled or something. God, somebody's got to make a product for that. It's perforated like toilet paper sheets. There's a joke in that somewhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little pocket out of bubble wrap, as you can see from up there, a little pocket out of bubble wrap, and then we'll kind of close that off, and we'll use that as the little, make a firecracker out of that thing, right? That's what I said. I wonder if we'll be able to hear any like crackling when it goes off. Probably not. I'm probably going to be raking for hours out there though. Alright, I'm just going to drop this 10.7 grams of flash powder right down on the inside of here. Let's scoop that down in. If that part don't make you nervous, you're stupid. Fuse is cheap. This video is not sponsored at all, but I do get this fuse from canonfuse.com. Every piece of fuse you ever seen lit on this channel was purchased from canonfuse.com, and it's always high quality and reliable, and I've just stuck with the same Visco fuse because it's predictable. I know how it works. And this, I'm going to go very generous with that. Let's get just a little bit of electrical tape, hold this bundle kind of loosely together at the top. We're gonna use some more of this to stuff down inside. Let's see how that's just want to see if it'll just go like this. I'm not going to, tape on the outside or anything. Oh, it's quite springy. That's a crazy thing. It's a very crazy thing I do on this channel.
Hey guys, before I got back, I'll talk to you for a second. I've kind of been failing to respond to a lot of comments on my YouTube channel lately. I love you guys commenting on the channel. It's really awesome, but I've been kind of feeling a little social media burnout. I started the new location on my job at the beginning of this year, and I just don't have the time throughout the day to it was always fun just to respond to the comments, but I just really don't have the time to do it. And by the end of the, I would say, oh, I'll respond to them by the end of the day, and then I kind of let it lag behind, and then I started feeling guilty for it, and then it was just too much. And I've kind of shut down a lot of the social media stuff. I'm just responding a lot less on all of it. I'm just putting the phone away a lot more, and it's good. It's good for your mental health. Don't put your phone down while you're watching my videos though. Watch 3 or 4 more first. Okay, enough off-topic stuff. Let's get back to business. Oh, what a beautiful day it is. It's an incredible day. It's gonna be incredibly hot.
So what do you guys think? You think it's gonna turn into a million billion pieces? You think it's just gonna split in half? Oh, you know what I haven't thought of too is what orientation do I want to set it up at? You know what I think? I think I'm actually going to go with this orientation. And we might get a cool 2 fireballs going out in either direction. That might look cool. So I think we're going to go with this. All right. Set my phone up over here with this kind of view, and behind the oil barrel here. Set the GoPro up, running the slow motion out front.
Holy crap.
What the? You saw it here first. Bow before the almighty bubble wrap. I love that smell. Holy crap. Are you kidding me? It didn't even scratch it. Well, I guess I've been beaten. I have been beaten. I have not had anything not firecracker yet like that. Did not firecracker. I mean, I knew I wasn't going to have a whole lot of sealing on the, you know, with just the bubble wrap in there, but dang, it didn't even, that tube is not even cracked or dented on the inside. I think I might wrap myself up in this and then throw myself into a giant pile of fireworks. No, I'm not gonna do that. But dang. All right, guys, I really appreciate that. Give me a big fat thumbs up, comment down below. I promise I'm gonna start trying to find more time to respond to the comments. You guys show me so much love and I owe it to you. But I hope you did enjoy this one. You know, I don't think we've seen the last of this because the dude cannot abide. I can't let that go. I can't be defeated. Round 1's over. Stay tuned for round 2. See you guys soon.